So I'm going to show you real quick how you switch from a bottle where you've distilled your product into it to a larger tank. And so you would just unscrew your tank, because this actually gets consumed pretty darn quick. Pull off your feed hose for a bottle, and then pull out the hose that comes with it. And here on the bottom, you'll notice that it has a little filter and a weight for going down in the bucket. And that is then pulled off the reel and attached to the end of the sprayer. The first thing you want to do, however, is slip this little support mechanism over it and clip it on so that this protects the nib that you attach to, so that you're not going to pull on the nib by itself. This gives you a nice tight fit. And then you drop this little weighted item in your 5-gallon bucket.